Hello, let us solve for x in this problem. 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x is equal to 100. Find x. So given 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x is equal to 100, by indices, this is simply 5 raised to power x raised to power 2 is equal to 100. Therefore, 5 raised to power x times 2 here is 2x is equal to 100. I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides of this equation, giving me log 5 raised to power 2x is equal to log 100. And by logarithm, given log p raised to power n, this can be expressed as n log p. Therefore, we would have 2x log 5 is equal to log 100. I'm going to divide both sides by log 5. So that this cancels this, and we are left with 2x is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. I can rewrite this expression here as log 2 times 5, which is 10, and we all know 10 squared is 100, and then divide by log 5. By logarithm, this can be expressed as 2 log 2 times 5 divided by log 5. Then by logarithm, log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Therefore, 2x is equal to 2 into log 2 plus log 5, then divided by log 5. Let us open this bracket. This will give us 2x is equal to 2 log 2 plus 2 log 5, then everything divided by log 5. And we can now separate this division to give us 2x is equals to 2 log 2 divided by log 5, then 2 log 2, log 5 rather, divided by log 5. Log 5 here will cancel log 5 here, leaving us with just 2. So this equation becomes 2x is equal to, I'll write this as 2 times log 2 divided by log 5, then plus 2. We can divide through by 2, so that this gives us 1. This also cancels this, and this cancels this, leaving us with x is equal to log 2 divided by log 5, then plus 1. This expression is of the form log p divided by log n. By logarithm, this is given as log p base n. Therefore, x becomes log 2 base 5, then plus 1. This will now be our final answer to this problem. We can do a quick check to confirm that this is correct by substituting this value into the given equation, which was 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x is equal to 100. So this is going to be 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 plus 1 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 plus 1 is equal to 100. We can separate these powers using this law of indices. X raised to power m plus p will give us x raised to power m times x raised to power p. So this becomes 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power 1 is equal to 100. Here, 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power 1 is simply 25. Then we have 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5. So I'm going to say all of this squared then is equal to 100. By logarithm, m raised to power log p base m will give us p. Therefore, we would have 25 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 will simply give us 2. Now 2 squared is 4. So we have 4 times 25 to give us 100. And 4 times 25 or 25 times 4 is simply 100. Therefore, 100 on the left is equal to 100 on the right. And since the left-hand side balances the right-hand side, it confirms that our value for x is correct. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and share, and then subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video.